This is what we've been waiting on. He's the king. And he passed it. No! Isagi is the king! Everybody, it's time. It's time for the last part of this fight. I believe. Saying that, and I really don't know, but it's the last portion of what's about to happen of this BlueLock episode. What's up, Anointed Gang? Squad up! Thank y'all for just consistently, helping me out with these animes. And we about to finish this episode. I'm so ready. I finally got ready to watch this episode because I had to give my voice a little break. Y'all know, by the end of these episodes, my voice be like,
stop it.
So I'm trying to do it maybe 2 a day, and that's it. Because the rest, if I do any more, it's cooked, right? So let's get into this episode. Hit your channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Y'all already know what to do, and let's find out how this is about to end. Dang. Baru is really feeling this. That's because of probably who he was playing with too, you know? And he been like that since he was a kid. This dude has to be like 6. He calling himself the king. That's kind of sick, but I rock with it. Woo! Woo! Something about to happen. His glow up about to be crazy. Oh shoot. Whoa. Whoa, is he gonna hit that this time? No, he's not gonna get it. Let's go. Nagi don't be playing. Nagi really is him. Bro, Isagi, are you really on that time? Alright, that's going to Baru, you know. I know, Chigiri probably got it. Where's Chigiri? Yeah. So what are you gonna do? Do something then. Here it comes. This is what we've been waiting on. He is the king. And he passed it. Oh my gosh. No! Isagi is the king! Respect him! Put some respect on his name right now. Oh my god! Oh, he just made him. Woo! Oh. Oh my gosh. Isagi is a dog. Bro, he came a long way. But that's how it should be. He fought 1 through 3. Baru ain't nowhere near their level. He understands. Oh, he really made him crumble. Oh my, wow. Wow.
ラストプレイはマイボールでリスタート。現状一番ゴールの確率あんのは俺のルートだろ。
Wow, 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 bro. I don't even know what to say.
それがベストだな。絶対勝つ。ああ、まずはボールを奪わなきゃ話になんねえ。うっす。マークしてても並走したら単純にスピード。
Yeah, Chigiri is the reason why they up for real. Chigiri going dumb.
スピード落ちないし。止めるのはその前だな。なんか思いついた。ああ、俺がレオを。ああ、ちょっと待った。やっぱ3人の方が守りやすいと思うけど、次の1点取られたら終わりだし。落ちたキングに何言っても無駄だろ。
Oh my god! No! He doing this on purpose!
さっきまでよりちぎりへのパスコースを重点的に守ってる。くそ、ちぎりのスピード使いたい。
Yeah, we know what you on, Rayo, but it's cooked.
で受けるパスしか出せない。しかもナギがちぎりを徹底マークしてやがる。なめやがって。でもどうする。適当なパスは危険すぎる。個人技でバローをかわすか。
Barrow might be the move, but
ダメだ。俺と国神じゃ攻め手にならない。てか何考えてんだ俺は。俺がこじ開ける。まだだ。まだ引きつけろ。かわせなくていい。
Isagi not going for that.
一瞬でいい。見えた。
No, you don't. That's cooked. Nagi's on that. Nagi's on that.
俺のパスに突っ込んでく。まさか一か八か俺のパスを。
Oh my god. Nagi, come on, get it!
いいパスだ。レオたちはこれを待ってた。は？嘘だろ。この状況が全部。こいつ。
Isagi's on a whole different level, bro.
届け。
Oh my gosh.
ギャンブル仕掛けてきやがった。マジ紙一重。
Nagi, what? Pass. Uh-oh.
フィールドはこんなにもあいつのゴールのために。
Oh my! Isagi really broke him down.
それでも不思議と悔しくないの。
俺もいる。
こいつ。
待てよこら。好きにさせるか天才。
初めての感
覚。Bro, he.
こいつら俺にゴールへの道筋を見せつけてきやがる。ゴールへのピースになれる。
Oh my.
なら眩しすぎんだよ。
I need him to have his glow up though. Like, what's up?
この敗北感は圧倒的なストライカーに。
Oh my goodness, he sounds soft as heck.
これがチームってやつか。
Stick your chest out again. I don't like this now.
あいつらとの化学反応、存在意義なんだ。なんだ。
Okay, he gotta break the shackles. I get it. Okay.
このパスの先にある俺の未来。そうか。でもそれは夢破れた人間がこれまでの人生を否定しないための現実逃避。こんな未来を。
Oh my. So what's about to happen?
生きたいわけじゃ。
Wait, what? Dang! He's not passing though.
そのまま俺をドリブルでかわしに来るか。いや、あのモーションはパスだ。
No, he's shooting that boy. Oh, whoa, whoa!
自分の突進力を殺さずに切り返す稲妻ドリブル。マジかよ、こいつゲーで覚醒してんのか。
That boy's different. I don't think he's gonna score though. Whoa! Oh shoot!
こいつら味方同士で食い合ってる。これがバローの覚醒。
Thank you. It's about time.
化学反応。全員ぶち抜きますか。
He about to break the net. Sheesh! Hey! That's how you end the game, fellas!
新しい俺の王道キングは俺だ
Yes, sir! That was peak. That's peak anime.
ライバルリーバトル
バロ
勝者チームモンスター潔よいち
ーハイタッチミス。
俺は
Am I a
下手
donkey?
くそか
ごめん、俺が間違ってた。お前はやっぱすげえやつだ。
お前といると調子狂うぜ
ナイス勝ちだ勝ち。
I was like, Nagi gonna make it. He gonna make it light. Oh, that was so
あ
fire.
マジですげかった。チョップドリブルあんなんできんなら言っとけ。
うっせえ今までこのフィールドは俺一人のものだと思ってた俺かそれ以外しかいないと思ってお前らが生まれて初めて俺からフィールドの主役を奪った悪役としてフィールドを制圧する方法を見つけたただそれだけだ
Yes, sir.
それで突進かけるチョップドリブルっていうお前の新しい武器が生まれたのか。
That boy went through the whole team.
悪役だろうがなんだろうがフィールドのキングとして世界一のストライカーになるのが俺の夢だからなお前にはもう二度と負けねえぞ潔
Talk that stuff, boy.
そんなもんいちいち覚えてねえしめんどくせえなクソ
クサオじゃないナギだ。俺も名前
They gotta pick. Pick Chigiri, man. They ain't even show the other side. That's how y'all get the job done. Dang, everybody really. Woo, that was a good game.
切り取れば国内屈指の能力です。バロー翔英君、彼の覚醒も計算済みだったんですか？
敗北ってのは勝負の世界に必ず発生するただの現象だ。たとえ世界一のストライカーでも全戦全勝なんてのはありえ敗北した者はそのフィールドから否定される。戦う者にとってそれ以上の絶望はない。自分に才能がなく非力だったと否定され間違いを認めるのが怖いから無意識に言い逃れをする。
まだ始まったばっかりだ。そうだ、人生に試合終了なんてない。
今までの努力を無駄にしないためにも叶えるためにあったはずの夢がいつの間にか追うことが目的にすり替わる。
chasing after.
そうやって己をごまかし続ける夢の亡霊になったゴミに俺はだからこそ敗北は夢の岐路だ。必要なのはこの瞬間に己の非力を痛感できる強さ。描いた夢の道筋を諦めることでしか見ることのできない道筋があり
Yeah, Baro had to get put down a step. Now, I mean, that don't mean he's still gonna pass, though, so we gotta see.
次はお前らの岐路だ。
あと一歩だった。俺が決めて勝ってたのに。俺は通用しなかった。何もさせてもらえなかった。
Now, you know we're not taking Rayo. Rayo's sorry so.
俺は何のためリンに勝つために
You gotta beat Rin.
戻すために
That's all it's about. Better pick Chigiri.
さあ誰にする
No! They didn't do it this episode. Oh, yeah. I'm so upset. Like, I'm so happy, but I'm so upset because why did they not show it this episode? They could have clearly, oh my goodness. And I can't even watch the next episode because I'm about to leave. Oh my gosh. Why the cliffhanger? Yeah, Isagi got go. He the goat. He the goat. Nagi, this is a great team. Isagi, regardless of what Baro say, he running his team. No cap. The only problem is they not about to have a dribbler. Like, they about to pick Chigiri, and they not gonna have a dribbler. So I still don't know. I mean, well, Baro gonna dribble, but we gonna see if he gonna pass, right? Like, if he really grew up, he gonna understand that 1, 2, and 3. That's gonna be an awakening for them. And Bachira low-key about to go stupid on that. I know how fire this about to be, but I'm kind of mad about that. So 2 boxes up on the screen. Y'all want to continue to watch more content? They up on the screen. Click the content while we watch all the different playlists I got for y'all. I love y'all, and y'all have a great rest of y'all day. Hope this put a smile on your face, and yeah. Deuces!